Apparently, Josh knows what he wants. It's very clear. His ideas may sometimes be outrageous, but at the end of the day, they do make sense. Okay? Because syempre, for us, older generation, it may be that way. But when you look at it, moving forward, it has so much potential. When I got to try the UFC cheese sauce with the kangkong chips, me personally, I think it's a perfect balance. And I believe Josh knows that perfect balance. The right level of seasoning and saltiness from the chip and the mild, perfect blend of that cheese sauce creates that umami, all right, in your mouth. And, guys, you have to try it. I'm sure baka na-try nyo na. Okay? Baka mabigyan pa kayo ng libre ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Okay? But, guys, so I think that's what I'm excited about. In working with Josh and Ms. Moika and the rest of the crew, because I think this is going to be more exciting products to come as well. And thanks to UFC for this great event, because I think you partnered with the right young entrepreneur.
Thank you, Sir Mike. And of course, Josh, ikaw naman, when it was presented to you, yun naman agad, parang, yun agad.
Yes, actually, ako. Wala na po revision, wala na po kahit ano. Tsaka hindi na po ako parang mag-ina, di ba, UFC na yan, go na kayo dyan. Yan po mabilis. Then we planned this event right away. Mabilis lang po. Kami na we move with speed. When we want something, we make sure we get it, we achieve it. And masyadong magaling yung nanay ko. Nagawa ang ganitong klaseng kalaking event, diba? And first, thank you din sa UFC. Sobrang maraming pasasalamat sa UFC talaga.
And of course, thank you so much and congratulations. And we're really excited and na matikman ang inyong collaboration.
Yes. Like ko lang po, this collaboration with UFC and KCO Cheese Sauce, yung main dish ko nito is yung canchos natin, which we would like restaurants, owners, chefs to try as their offerings. And kagaya nga sabi ni Presley, di ba, 200 branches ng coffee spot lalagyan ng canchos. And right now, may isa na kami partnership with Above Sea Level na ngayon nandun na din si canchos sa Above Sea Level with UFC cheese sauce. So, sa lahat po ng restaurant owners dyan, it's a food business, mga cafes and everything, pwede niyo po i-try si Canchos, KCO Canchos, and top it off with KCO ex-UFC cheese sauce. And maybe maka-discover tayo ng another versatile menu dyan sa snack nyo as your menu, di ba? Just top it off with your own toppings. Kung gusto nyo yung toppings dyan, kung may niche kayo sa restaurants nyo, pwede nyo i-try. Yeah. So yun po talaga yung gusto namin gawin ngayon.
Kangkong chips became a super hit talaga.
It's a really good question. Why do I think Kangkong chips became a super hit? Siguro dahil sa akin, mayabang ako eh. Yes, I think it's because of the human interest. Yun yung pala yung sinasabi. Ang tao, people buy from whom they trust. So, and I think si KCO, first 2 to 3 years, nag-viral siya kasi dahil sa mga pinagagawa namin sa internet, diba? Because of those, of course, of all those who supported sa mga interviews, sa mga podcasts, na nagpakita ng isang 17 years old kid can become a millionaire because just the age of 17, can help hundreds of employees, can help hundreds of farmers. And people got inspired, they got curious, and it became viral. First phase yun. Yun yung first phase. Then after that, dito na mangyayari yung kung paano na-maintain ni KCO yung brand. Of course, we maintain it through this collaboration, through this marketing, through this innovation, and meeting people na makakatulong sa amin sa brand. Doon patuloy na nag-viral. And the product is unique. Ang compost yan, ano tawag sa compost? Yung very common eh. No? Very common, tapos nagawa mo ng something special. I think yun yung naging nagpahit sa kanya. Pero hindi ko na masyadong malaliman kung ba't pa siya nag-hit. Basta nag-viral siya, nag-hit siya. And right now, lalo pa yung mag-hit. Yun lang.
So, sino po yung first taster mo nung time na parang feeling mo pwede siyang i-market?
Wow, galing mo na. Sino unang tumikim? Sino unang tumikim? Family ko lang siguro, yes. Family.
Paano mo na-realize na pwede siyang maging business?
Share ko yung nangyari sa amin ni Josh. So, gumawa siya ng kangkong chips. Ang kangkong chips kasi, kung familiar kayo, normal na siya sa ibang restaurant as appetizer na crispy kangkong. Ayan. And then, si Josh, niluto kasi siya ng sister ko as crispy kangkong. And then, si Josh, naisip niya na gawin ko kayong chichirya. Ilagay ko sa packaging. Ano kaya pwede kong ilagay na ingredients para ma-maintain yung crispiness. So, ayan, naggawa siya ng kangkong chips, nilagay niya sa pouch pa yun nakalagay. And then, tinignan niya kung tatagal ba, lulutong ba, malutong pa din ba after how many days?
Lumutong.
Lumutong. After 5 days
Yun na yun.
lumutong. Sabi ni Josh, Ma, malutong, yayaman na tayo. Sabi niya. Makakapag-negosyo na tayo, madami na tayong matutulungan. Kaya yun, na-save ko pa yung, yung message, in-screenshot ko yung message ni Josh. 4 years, that was 4 years ago, na yun, sinabi niya, successful malutong. Kaya yun, doon na nagsimula ang lahat.
Last two. Meron kang, of course, parang inspiration or ideal businesswoman or entrepreneur. Meron ka bang ganun? Parang mas na-inspire ka sa kanyang po?
Of course, yes. Madami po. Madami actually. Can't name na lahat, pero madami po. And my mentors know them. My mentors know it na sila yun. And sila yung I drew inspiration from social media entrepreneurs. And as time goes by, yung mga namit ako na mentors, just like Sir Eric Gadulfin here of TNC. Guys, Sir Eric, nandito siya. One of my mentors, sobrang grabe support sa akin. And yun, I drew inspiration talaga mostly sa mga nakikita ko sa internet. Hindi na ako kasi sa bahay, of course, inspiration ko, pamilya ko, diba? Sila na inspiration mo. Pero, mas makakahugot ka ng dun sa mga tao hindi ka masyadong familiar. Diba? You learn from them a lot. Kasi bago yung mga sinasabi nila sa'yo, fresh. So ako, I drew inspiration and knowledge and wisdom sa internet. Doon ko siya sinimulan. YouTube University, yun lang talaga malala. I started the business only watching YouTube. And wala akong mentor at that time. And eventually, doon ko lang sila hinanap. So yun, doon ako naghugot ng what I want in life, doon ko hinanap. Sino ba yung mga tao mayroon ng buhay na wala ako? Hinanap ko sila, nakita ko sila, inaaral ko sila in their videos, pinanood ko sila, natutuwa ko, sinubukan ko mag-isa. Then, eventually, yung mga pinanood ko ngayon, kaibigan ko na business partners ko na. Yan.
Thank you. Last na po. Pinapatanong nila since kangkong daw yung first, meron ka na daw bang sariling kangkong farm?
Yes po. We already have 5 hectares of kangkungan sa Fami, Laguna. And meron po tayo doon 50 plus farmers. Yeah.
With that, thank you and congratulations po.
Thank you as well, Miss